Hi there, my name is Kimmo Vehkalahti and I work at the Faculty of Social Sciences at the University of Helsinki. I am a social data scientist and I will now talk about open data science. It may refer to several things. Here I will look at open data science in three parts: open data, open science, and data science. Let's begin from open data. More and more data is openly available. Using and sharing data are essential skills for researchers. During your studies, you will probably face many types of open data related to the fields of digital humanities and digital social sciences. There's another video on open access material that tells more about open data. How about open science? Science thrives to be open. With the term open science, we want to highlight this, as complete openness is not always possible. Open science includes a lot of different facets, and it has plenty of benefits. Please watch another video on open science to learn more. One important and common aim of science is reproducibility, that is, the ability to reproduce the scientific results. Using open data and making the results openly accessible is good, but it's not enough for reproducibility. What is also required is to apply openly available software tools and to share the code used to produce the results. The first step towards that could be, for example, learning the basics of the statistical programming language R, one of the state-of-the-art open software tools. And that takes us to the last part, namely data science. So what is data science? The term data science is used both by computer scientists and statisticians to highlight the role of the data exploration on any fields of science. Definitely this includes the digital humanities and social sciences, where we also use another related term, social data science. Without even exaggerating, one could say that we shall all be data scientists. As you will learn, finding or collecting data is usually not as such a big problem, because data is everywhere. The challenges are in extracting knowledge and discovering the patterns in the data. So we have focused here on open data science as a form of data science, where we use open tools and share the code and results openly. It may require quite a lot of skills like programming, modeling, visualizing, and analyzing. You will probably face some of these in your studies. You can also learn many skills of open data science and even specialize in some of them according to your own interests. Thank you and have fun with open data science.